Whampoa Estate, City Fringe, District 12. I'm taking you to a 4-room premium HDB unit at McNair Towers. Before we start the home tour, let me give you a quick orientation. McNair Towers comprises 4 residential blocks with a total of 861 units. The property mix consists of studios, 3-room and 4-room premium flats. Attaining its MOP status in 2022, this makes it one of the newest resale HDBs you can buy in the Kallang Whampoa area. A sheltered 3 to 4 minutes walk to Boon Keng MRT, the special thing about living here is the quiet and peace amidst the convenience provided. It is not along major roads, so you don't get road noise or the feeling of busyness. For drivers, you enjoy direct connectivity to CTE and PIE. We are in the very central part of Singapore, which makes it close to everywhere by public transport or car. Come, let me show you this stunning home. This 4-room flat has a total build-up of 1,001 square feet. Meticulously designed by an architect and her husband, who bought this as their matrimonial home, they incorporated subtle floor plan changes which makes such a huge difference in terms of livability. Sleek and tasteful statement pieces decorate their living room. On the walls and feature shelf display keepsakes and artwork of sentimental value. These northeast-facing full-height windows give you soothing greenery views and gorgeous indirect sunlight that illuminates all the rooms with such warmth. In order to create a sense of space, the kitchen has been made open concept, visually opening up the living, dining and food preparation areas. Over here, you have one of my favorite parts of the home, a beverage pantry complete with a coffee machine for your morning pick-me-up or an occasional tipple in the evenings. Walking through, you'll notice Scandinavian influences as several items have been sourced from the owner's trips there and hand-carried back. The second room can be used as either a bedroom or an extended living area. Simply tuck the pocket sliding doors into the walls and the room is now a seamless part of the living space. This flexibility could be perfect for a couple who frequently have friends coming over for gatherings or parties. It also works great as a bedroom since it comes with built-in wardrobes that are flush to the walls, leaving you a rectangular space to place a queen-size bed and even a study table. The common bath features bow-patterned floor tiles, one of the fun design elements in this home. Finally, we come to the master bedroom. These engineered wood floors give off an organic and relaxing vibe to the space. Within this room, we have a walk-in wardrobe, one that actually has natural sunlight. The actual resting area is still very spacious and fits a growing family with sufficient floor space for adding a cot or child bed. A mirrored barn door leads you to the master bath for a peaceful retreat you need at the end of the day. Now you may wonder where everything goes, given that this home looks so clutter-free. The household shelter is concealed cleverly behind this tinted mirror entryway, together with the floor-to-ceiling shoe racks and additional cubby holes. There is perfect play between the boldness and lightness of materials used in this home, which gives you the sense of elevated comfort just by being here. Now let's take you through the other aspects that make this place so desirable. Besides the daily commute convenience mentioned earlier in the video, you also have priority to these outstanding primary schools. Other important amenities include the supermarket, newly built polyclinic, banks, Bendemeer Market, all within walking distance. McNair Towers is also right beside the park connector along Whampoa River, which leads all the way to Marina Bay. The sight of the lined trees and river is a nice respite from city living. We've come to the end of our tour. Hope you fell in love with this tastefully done-up show flat-like home. My name is Michelle from OrangeTee AAG Division. Thank you for joining me once again and give me a buzz if you like what you saw.